Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today we are DIYing Ariana Grande's white scrunchie from her new music video. First, I took a white cloth which is ruined in every possible way. You can see there are colors and it looks pretty much ugly to be used as anything else. It looks pretty ugly. So I cut out this piece of the cloth. I didn't measure, I just cut out a random piece of cloth. Then I took a bottle. I couldn't find my aesthetically pleasing glass bottle, but the cap was open, something dropped in the bed. Let me explain the situation here. Basically, I first inserted the girder around the bottle and then I inserted the cloth in this way. Basically, you have to keep the girder at the center of the piece of cloth and then you have to stitch it up. Like the ends, you have to stitch it up. This is very easy. Might look a bit difficult, but this is very easy. Basically, you insert the girder first and then you insert the cloth in this way and then just stitch it up. This is the first stitch. I didn't make this video really aesthetically pleasing because this was not the main video. The main video was Ariana Grande's hairstyle video. Okay, I double stitched this because I didn't want it to open. So yeah, now we have these two ends, and out of one of the ends you have to make the scrunchie inside out because we want the good side of the scrunchie to be out, and the bad side, which have all the stitching part, should be inside of the scrunchie. Now we have this and we have to insert one end inside the other and stitch it up. And then you're basically done. Ariana Grande's scrunchie had black random spots in it, so I just used some fabric paint to create those spots. I just like the scrunchie the way it is, full white. I didn't like the black spots, but Ariana Grande's scrunchie had black spots, basically making it look like a cow print.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around